Covenant of the League of Nations, visualized. Following the First World War, the Covenant of the League of Nations established the League as a permanent organization to promote international peace, resolve global disputes, and to protect all nations' rights, sovereignty, and self-determination. Unlike the United Nations Political Charter, the League Covenant was more a legalistic contract, focusing on judicial procedures to prevent war. The Covenant, consisting of 26 articles, described 3 ways to prevent war: arbitration in settling disputes, disarmament, and collective security. The Assembly was the regulator body of the League. It managed the budget and membership, and also served as a forum for exchanging international opinions. All 63 member countries were represented in the Assembly, with each country has 1 vote, and unanimity was required for all decisions. On the other side, the Council was responsible for settling international disputes, with 6 permanent seats and 14 non-permanent elected countries. The Secretariat is the 3rd organ and it administered the activities of the League. The League was also associated with the Permanent International Court of Justice. It adopted the parliamentary system, however the consensus was rare, and the unanimity requirement often paralyzed the institution. The League managed to solve minor disputes, like the Åland Island between Sweden and Finland, and did make progress in combating illicit drugs and promoting international trade, health conditions, and child welfare. However, the League proved a failure from its very beginning. First, the inclusion of its covenant in the Treaty of Versailles made the League a tool of the victorious Allies, rather than a genuinely representative and impartial body, meant to serve all nations. Second, the failure of the USA to join the League crippled it from the outset. And third, the required unanimity in the Assembly proved impossible in practice. The League was first challenged with the Japanese invasion of Manchuria in 1931, followed by Japan's withdrawal from the League, as it could not force Japan to return the territory it had seized. Germany followed Japan in 1933, as Hitler decided to leave the League, after Germany's withdrawal from the Geneva Disarmament Conference. In addition, Italy withdrew from the League after it invaded Ethiopia, and following the League failed attempt to impose economic sanctions against Italy. Despite its ineffectiveness to stop the Second World War, the League paved the way to creating the United Nations, which replaced the League in 1946.